Never has the line between work and life been so, well, blurred as it is today. And because of that, most of us need to have technology that can work for both. Well, here it is, the new XPS 13 2-in-1, designed to do it all on the Intel Evo platform. This is a versatile 2-in-1 for a hybrid lifestyle. Take a look at this slate, it's gorgeous. This is one of two options for color, slate, the other is silver. Here's the AC adapter, a USB adapter, which allows you to connect to older USB ports. Plus, here is the optional XPS stylus that magnetically attaches to the 2-in-1, keeping it in place. And the optional XPS folio that is a keyboard and stand. There are two USB-C Thunderbolt 4.0 ports allowing you to connect to multiple 4K monitors, and there is a fingerprint sensor on the power button. This model comes with eSIM 5G conductivity built in, so you can work or play anywhere with high-speed data connections. It features a 13.4-inch display with optional 3K resolution, high brightness and sharpness with narrow bezels. This is slate mode. And with Windows 11, it's so intuitive to use. The touch functionality is very responsive and accurate, but you can get even more precision with the XPS stylus pen. Yep, very responsive, and it feels great in my hand. It just snaps onto the top of the display for recharging, and it's always ready to use. Plus, you'll never leave it behind. As you can see, the keyboard folio transforms the slate to become a laptop. This gives you the full functionality of a laptop with the backlit keys and with a protective cover for your XPS 13 2-in-1. The world-facing camera is 4K, 11 megapixels, perfect for shooting quality video and taking high-resolution images. While the front-facing camera is 1080p, which is better for video conferencing. And it has Windows Hello face recognition built in. The new XPS 13 2-in-1 not only provides versatility but also performance thanks to the Intel Evo platform featuring the latest 12th gen processors. It has up to 1TB of solid state drive storage, 16 gigs of memory, as well as a long-lasting battery. Whilst the line might be blurred between work and home, one thing is crystal clear. The new XPS 13 2-in-1 is your one-stop solution for creating, connecting, entertainment, anything that inspires you. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you make the classic 2-in-1. Like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.